we're gonna be replacing the hard drive in this machine. Not that there's anything wrong with the hard drive that's in this machine, but I'm gonna need to take it out for a future project on this channel. Fellas, I have a pretty interesting video for you today. This is something special that I've been wanting to show you guys for a little bit. Look at this gigantic ass box. Oh my god. Let's just go ahead and open it up. And I just cut the prime tape. Oh. Well, there's another shipping label under my shipping label. I'm gonna also have to censor that. Alright, let's just continue this, shall we? Get that shipping label out of the way. Ooh, look at this. We have envelopes and envelopes, and whoa, look. It's a MacBook. Oh, it's why is it taped? Is there anything else under the padding? No, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and put this aside. I'm not including that part. Alright, now we have a better look at the MacBook Pro. Okay, I got a little iFixit doodler so we can go ahead and take this pesky tape off. Whoa. Ooh. Now we can open it up. Wow, look at that. I didn't realize it had 0 bottom screws. What's in here? Okay, so it has everything in here. Hard drive, battery. Ooh, this hard drive is not mounted into place. It's a 500 gig hard drive though, so that's cool. Has a battery and RAM. What if we just get a MagSafe charger and, you know, just plug it in and see if it works? Alright, I'm arming the nugget. Haha, DangPods reference. Oh my god, it's firing up immediately. Is there any OS installed? Or is it just a white screen? I think it's gonna be a flashing question mark if I had to guess. It is. Okay, that's fine. That's actually okay. It says untested and it has no hard drive, but as you saw, it did have a hard drive installed. Yoink. So we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Let's get this hard drive. This is the one I've been wanting to use that I swapped out in the other video. That's what I was talking about before. Let's actually secure it in place on one side at least before we boot it up and test it out. All right, plugging it back in. This is a hard drive I know works. Yep, that's a good sign. That is a real good sign. Okay. It was taking a little bit. It was kind of worrying me. Oh, we got a mouse. Yeah. Oh, 1%. You know what? That's probably why it wasn't wanting to work. Keyboard feels amazing, by the way. This thing feels fantastic. Oh my gosh, there's all my stuff. 0%. Oh my god, okay. I have Minecraft on here? That's kind of funny. I'm so glad that this hard drive lives inside a MacBook again. Whoa, there's all my documents, okay. Condition normal. Wow, wait, how many cycles does this have? 378. That's actually not terrible. Let me see this about this Mac real quick. MacBook Pro 13-inch mid-2012. Cool, that's awesome. You may be wondering, wow, you have so much stuff on this hard drive already. What was this used in? Well, in the past, I actually used to use a early 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro. And as you can see, it's covered in stickers. And you know damn well I'm gonna do the same to this one. We're actually gonna shut this down. Before we start putting stickers on here, actually, this still has 0 bottom case screws. And because this MacBook has been dead for a long time and is completely filthy, we're gonna steal its case screws. How do you guys like this 2-angle setup I have going on here? I actually just tried this out today, and I want you guys to tell me what you think of it. Perfect. Now this one is completely loose. I probably should have put this in there. Oh well, I'll do that after the video when the fun part's over. That's right, we still have to get this sticker off. Wow, that actually left way less residue than I thought it would. Here are all the stickers. We have a bunch of these to choose from. For the Apple logo, I'm putting this one down. Perfect. Right in the middle. All right, that's that one down. Ah, I got a Foxy sticker, that's right. We're gonna put Foxy up here. Oh, we have this little goober. I completely forgot about this one. I'll leave the smaller ones for last. Oh, we have this one. This one's really cool. I think I'm gonna put this one over here. Yes, perfect. Ah, dead bomb art. That is definitely going down in this corner right here. Yes. All the sticker wrappers go over here. Maybe I should have made this one the Apple logo. Oh yeah, this one looks good right here actually. Yes. Okay, now we're just left with more of the smaller ones. Let's do this cat. This cat one's funny. This sticker was very stubborn to get off. Where should I even put it? Well, I guess it's going there because it kind of just stuck there. Here's a local furry group I'm in. That can go there. Almost forgot about the little goober. He can probably go here. Now we have this adorable little guy. This one can go down here. It's earned its cute little spot right there. And so can the Pokemon weed cat. Right there. Yep. This is an adorable little creature which I got from Pixel Princess. They're gonna go right up here. Now we're actually gonna place this little goober down. It's deserved its place right here. And last but not least, what I'm going to be putting on for this video is this sticker right here. That I got this from my senior high school teacher. I don't know what it's from, but we're going to put it on. And bam! We have completely sticker bombed this MacBook Pro. Take a good look at that. This is a beautifully sticker bombed MacBook Pro. Well, thank you all for watching this video. This was a very fun and refreshing video, something I definitely needed after the anger that was the Mac Mini video. So, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, maybe subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in the next one.